So here I have these two folders, one for source code and second one is for unit test. Let's open both of these files. In the source code we can see we have one function which add two numbers a and b, and it will return the summation of these two numbers. In the unit test we are going to validate if I'll pass 1 and 2, then we can assert if summation is 3 or not. It should be 3, then we'll say like this unit test pass. For unit test, for Pytest we need one module called Pytest. So I have already installed Pytest. Let's check it. So pip list will list all the packages, and here we can see I have already installed Pytest here. Now let's execute Pytest command, and it is saying there is 0 collected items. So one of the reason is, see this file name what we have given for Pytest, it should start with the test. So I'll refactor, rename and make it like test, refactor. Now let's re-execute this code. Pytest, enter, and it is saying no module called src. So it able to identify this is the unit test file, but then it's getting error saying src module it is not able to find. So for this error we have to execute it like a module. So python m and then pytest, and now we are not getting that error, but again it is saying 0 item here. So this function name also, if it is a unit test, then it should start with test. Now let's run this unit test once again, and this time you can see one test case passed. And let's try few more things. Instead of prefix, if I'll make as suffix, will it work? Let's try. No, it's not working. So it should be prefix. Now same thing, let's try for file name. I'll do refactor, rename, remove it from here, and I will add test here, refactor. Now let's try. It's working. So for file name, either it is prefix or suffix, it should work, but for function name it should be prefix.